So, what are you doing?
Putting the stove in.
It's kind of precarious, isn't it?
I don't think so. These. That's why we got these blocks, so the weight is directly above the webbing.
This is the final product right here. This is home on the range.
No, this is kind of a temporary setup until we get the wall going.
What wall?
The alcove is going to be built around it.
Oh,
So it's going to be a concrete cement wall.
a concrete what?
Concrete masonry unit wall. So the back wall is going to have a very gentle radius to it. Probably something like an 8-foot radius. And then the side walls have a very gentle radius in it. So the whole alcove kind of has the effect of sort of looking, has the curves and lines like a groin vault.
Like a what?
A groin vault.
Groin vault.
Groin vault. Yeah, you see them in cathedrals. So even the top of it, which will be plaster mortar actually, it has a very slight arc down to the back as well, and then the whole thing is going to be plastered.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's where it used to be, if we recall, but it's moved, and we need to get it fired up so that we can start warming the house up because we continue to texture and paint. So I'll make another video about what's going on in the rest of the house.
So the stove has already claimed one victim.
Oh, yeah.
My finger.
Almost got ouchie on his finger. It got squished in the stove. If that's the worst that happens to us, I think if that's the worst that happens to us, I think we're doing just fine.